50,000 golden opportunities are up for grabs at the Golden Arches as the nation's largest fast food chain goes on a hiring blitz across the country. Actually, the second largest fast food chain. 23 News economic reporter Kristen Burke tells us how many of the jobs are here in the state line.
I started about 13 years ago as a crew person behind the registers and worked my way up through the management system, and then finally became an operations supervisor about 2 years ago.
McDonald's is hoping Eric Jaworski is one of the many faces that will help shed a stereotype of what a McJob really is.
The possibilities are endless when it comes to McDonald's, and it's not just a job, it can be a career.
The home of the Big Mac turned itself into a McJob fair today. The fast food giant is looking to supersize its workforce by filling 50,000 jobs across the country. 112 of those positions are at state line restaurants. 4 of them are at this Beloit McDonald's.
We've never done that all at once. Usually we'll hire a person here or there, or maybe 1 or 2 a month. So it's a big difference, and it's really going to be a big influx of people.
The jobs include part-time, full-time, and managerial positions. Boosted for a host, the extra spots will help them meet the demand of growing sales as the recession continues to take a bite out of many of our budgets.
I guess more now than in the past, we actually needed to come out of the box here and do something big and get the people on the staff.
In Beloit, Kristen Burke, 23 News.
Today's effort is the largest hiring spree in the company's history. For more information on the positions, you can head to WIFR.com. That does bring us to tonight's web poll question. With the current job market, are McJobs more desirable than they were 5 years ago? Again, you can head to our web channel at WIFR.com to cast your vote. We'll have those results for you tonight on the 23 News Update at 10. Here's a look at what we're working